Mediation sorts all issues. Yes, in mediation, all kind of issues are addressed, from real one to emotional ones and everything in between. For example, unlike in a court of law, because in a court of law, we're talking about rights, about legal issues, yeah? Where if you go out of those issues, you'll be told, no, you're out of order, yeah? And then you stick to what is there to be proven, yeah? According to the rules of law, as it were. Think of issues as matters of concern to the parties, yeah? What are those matters that concern the parties, yeah? That the emphasis in mediation is more on interests other than rights, yeah? What are matters of interest to the parties? And usually we classify them into three in mediation: what we call real, emotional, and pseudo substantive, yeah? Real, by the way, can be substituted by substantive, yeah? And what does it mean, yeah? When you talk about substantive issues, you're talking about basically even what is strictly illegal, yeah? For example, that I'm owed some particular amount of money, I'm entitled to this and this for my inheritance. Legally I should have A, B, C, D, yeah? Then the emotional issues that covers a whole lot of other things, yeah? Things that make me sad, that make me happy, that give me fear, that discourage me, all that. I'm looking for approval, for respect, name it, yeah? We tackle all that, yeah, in mediation. And then pseudo substantive usually would be what we call like emotional issues, disguised, as substantive issues, yeah? That, for example, a lady would be suing for, or would be asking for maintenance for a child, for example, but at the bottom of it, really, she doesn't even need it. She doesn't even need that child support. What she's really looking for is either maybe to hit back at the guy who has left her, or just to get his attention, or just whatever it is. Like I've handled cases where after the couples have talked, for example, eventually they just say, I think what she really wants is that we talk and we make up, yeah? And then the other one says, yeah, exactly, that's what I would like, yeah? So those are pseudo substantive issues that they were disguised as being legal, issues, but eventually what we are looking for are really emotional things and other issues that we would like address, that would help us to resolve that conflict situation. So as I said, in mediation, parties are helped to discover their interest, and more so to discover their common interest that will make their relationship, be it family, business, at workplace, and so on and so forth, get better in the future, yeah? So at the bottom of it, when you're looking for those common interests among the parties, you discover that maybe what they are really looking for is that family unity. They are looking for affection, they are looking for love. I don't know, they are more concerned about the children. Maybe a father is more concerned about losing touch with his child in a case of separation, or they want to build a relationship or a friendship that has been broken, or parties really want their business to go on. Just because there was a breach of contract, they would really want to get their business going, and they would like to make up and get to a deal in mediation. So get in touch with a mediator, and to be sorted out, because as I said at the beginning, mediation sorts you out, yeah? And you will not be ruled out of order in the sense that you are able to speak yourself out and to talk it out, so that we get to the bottom of things and we are able to analyze and agree on our common interests